Welcome, in front of me is a Zenfone 8, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which permeates in the upper right corner. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it to activate it with the base default settings that it comes with, or you can also hold it and this will take you to these settings where you can customize how it works. So let's just see, we have interruptions from people, so it allows you to choose conversations, messages, calls, and who can call you, message you, and stuff like that. So as you can see, I started with calls, steered contacts, which are basically favorites, contacts, anyone or no one. So you can choose whichever one you want here. If you go with no one, you still have the allow repeated callers, which means that if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, the second time they call, the call will get through to you, bypassing whatever you choose right here. So at this moment it's set to none. With this, no one should be able to call me, but with this toggled on, if someone does call me twice within a 3-minute period, they will reach me bypassing that option. It is a good option to have in terms of emergencies, because people will basically spam call you till you pick up. Now going back, messages has exactly same options without the 3-minute period thingy thing, and conversations can set it all up as well. Now going out of it, we have apps which can interrupt, or which here actually you add apps that you that will be able to interrupt you. By default it's none. Then we have alarms and other interruptions, such as what kind of interruptions will pop up, give sounds, or just pop-ups in general during this Do Not Disturb mode, which if you want some of them, simply enable them. And then going back out, we have schedule. Obviously, set up a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on and off automatically at a given time and day of the week. And apart from that, we also have a couple other settings below that. So we have set durations for quick settings, and this will determine what the actual toggle itself does right here. So by default, if I tap on it, it will turn it on, and I will have to turn it off myself, otherwise it's going to be on indefinitely. But if we go into this option, it will allow me to change how the actual toggle functions. So we have a time period, as you can see it says 1, but I can also add more hours, and once I confirm it, every time I tap on the toggle, it will turn on for exactly 4 hours. And if I go with ask every time, it will bring up that window every single time I interact with it and allow me to choose which one I want. Also allow me to change the amount of hours. And what else we have here? Display options for hidden notifications. So no visual or sound from notifications, so you can just edit how notifications will appear during this mode. Then auto turn on in immersive mode. So immersive mode, I assume it's something associated with gaming, which basically turns on Do Not Disturb mode automatically in this case if you want this, and turn it on. And show notifications while turned on, or when turned on. This means that when you're using the device, so when it's unlocked like this, if you get some kind of message or anything, any kind of notification, it will be displayed if you turn that on. If you don't, it will not show any kind of notifications till the Do Not Disturb mode is off. So anyway, once you're done setting it all up the way you want it, you can simply go to the toggle and simply toggle it on, like so. Now if you went the route with, like I said, the until turn off, you will have to turn it off yourself, otherwise it will be on indefinitely. So that is how you'd set up the Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.